viewers, you're watching TMIS News Network, bringing you the latest updates from the Mussoorie International School.
And today we have a power-packed bulletin full of leadership, celebration and the spirit of our beloved school.
First up, the excitement is in the air as TMIS is casting their votes to choose the future leader of our school.
Yes, the prestigious posts include President, Sports Minister and many more.
Posters, promises and plenty of encouragement. TMIS is buzzing with campaign energy.
From President to Sports Minister, hopefuls all are visiting classroom, convincing fellow students why do they deserve the vote.
And now, the big moment is here. Voting is officially being underway at TMIS.
This is democracy in action in our own school corridors.
With EVM and excitement in their eyes, every student is making their voice count.
Yes, students are heading to the polling area, class by class, casting their votes to choose the leaders.
And now, for a ground level view, let's go to our live reporters, Atra and Mahin, who are right there where the reporting is happening.
This is not just an election, this is a lesson in responsibilities, leadership and the power of choice, TMIS style. Over to you reporters. Tell us what's the scene at the polling station.
Guys, this is Atra reporting live from TMIS polling booth where the excitement is at its peak. Yes, one by one, students are arriving in class size to cast their vote for their favorite candidate. The atmosphere here is buzzing, posting on the wall, campaign slogans still echoing, and students are discussing who they think will win. We can see the teachers are supervising the process of ensure everything runs smoothly and fairly just like a real election. And the best part, every student here knows that their vote truly matters. What's your name?
My name is Syed Hamdan.
You're standing in the election for the post of president in the school. How you're feeling?
I am feeling so fortunate that I got this opportunity for the nominee president of the school.
Are you nervous right now?
Yes, I am little bit nervous, but hope the real leader wins.
What is the first change you would like to bring in the school if you become president?
My first priority is to create an opportunity for a student participation.
Thank you. Now we have other nominees. Let's talk to them. What is your name?
My name is Ibrahim Khan. My name is Tejas Kumar.
For which post you are standing?
We both are standing for the post of vice president, and yes, we are competitors of each other.
If you become a vice president, what will be your first priority for the student?
If I'll become the vice president, my first priority will be to create more opportunities for the students in sports, arts and competitions without disturbing their academics.
If I become the vice president, I make sure that every student will make a happy and clean environment.
Hi, I'm Atna, and now we have other three nominees who are standing for the post of Deputy Prime Minister and Prime Ministers. Hi sir, are you nervous right now?
Yes, I am little bit nervous.
Hello sir, what is going in your mind?
Right now I am thinking about the result of the election.
The Prime Minister is absent. How will you ensure that the school council runs smoothly?
I will make sure that the discipline is on the top.
What is your name?
My name is Prableen Kaur.
For which post you are standing?
I am standing for the president post.
If you see a problem in a school, how will you solve it?
First I will talk to the people who are involved, understand the issue, then I will talk to the teachers or the council member to find the best solution.
Now we are having head boy, head girl from junior section. Let's talk to them how they are feeling. To motivate your peers.
I think that not every student is this much extrovert that they can speak in front of the whole class that they want to participate in that program, as well as they can't say to the teacher also. So that's why I will try to go to the classes personally, meet them and tell them the benefits after performing in program, what benefits they will be getting.
Why do you want to become a head boy of junior council?
See, I want to become the head boy of the junior council because I think so I have the capabilities of leadership, and also I want to serve my school in any way I can, and it's a responsibility to serve all the student body and as well as help our teachers and all the seniors, whether it is a senior or a junior. I would be not doing any kind of partiality with them.
Thank you. Why do you want to be the head boy of our school?
Because I want to help my peers and make our school a happy place.
Why do you want to be the head girl of our school?
Because I want that every child's voice should be heard.
What is the favorite thing about our school?
Our teachers and all the fun activities we do.
That's all from polling booth. Now back to in the studio.
Thank you for updating us.
We will be right back after a short break, so stay tuned. our council members took their oath, an important step was taken. The appointment interviews. These were personally conducted by our respected principal ma'am for both the primary and junior councils, ensuring that only the most deserving leaders were selected to serve TMIS. Meanwhile, the corridors are buzzing with preparation of one grand event, the Independence Day celebration.
From rehearsals to decoration, every corner of TMIS is glowing with patriotism and the promise of brighter future.
Now, for the live scenes of practice, let's go to our live reporters, Agra and Mahi, who will update us further.
Thank you, Anchor. This is Agra reporting live from TMIS Rehearsal Ground, where the preparation for Independence Day are in full swing. Yes, right. Behind us, the students are practicing their march past with a perfect coordination, flags in a hand and heads held high. We can hear patriotic song filling the air, and the dance team are preparing for the final step for the big day. The teachers are guiding every movement and making sure the performance on 15th August nothing more of spectacular. From the marching to the speeches, every detail is being perfected to our nation in the grandest way. That's all from the rehearsal ground back to the studio.
Thank you for updating us.
And now, we move to the heart of school program, a day that celebrates our nation's freedom, the Independence Day.
Yes, the Grand Independence Day celebration has filled TMIS with pride and patriotism. From the flag hosting to the cultural performances, every moment has been a tribute to our beloved country.
It was a proud moment for every student and teachers as our school celebrated one of the most important days of our country.
The spirit of freedom making this day truly unforgettable for the Mussoorie International School. Over to you, reporters.
Thank you, anchors. This is Agra reporting live after what can only be a great success here at TMIS. Yes, the Independence Day celebration have left everybody impressed. And now we are here with the grandest event of Independence Day. This is Agra with cameraman Mahi. Now that's all from the Mussoorie International School. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you, Agra.
From the excitement of elections to the pride of Independence Day, what a date has been.
With that, we wrap up today's special bulletin from the Mussoorie International School.
Until next time, this is TMIS News Network signing off with a promise to keep bringing you the heartbeat of our school.
Thank you for joining us as we brought you the highlights, the updates, and the voices of TMIS. Jai Hind!